YouTubers, I'm gonna show you how to. Okay, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna make sounds in the background from your webcam. See that webcam? Okay, first of all, you gotta click the minus sign on the screen. I know you can't see it, but still, you gotta click it. Okay, so now I know you probably see me, like, woo, but I don't see myself in the camera. So, I'm gonna go on YouTube or something. Make sure your sound's on, because it won't work then, because then you can't hear it. So, then I can just, like, I'm gonna pick one of my videos, because that's what I'm gonna do. But, you don't have to, you can pick any. So, I can do something like this, and then you'll hear it, probably.
Say a word, joke. Look at the video that whole time. And then I can check this off right now. You push the screen.
So you can X that YouTube out and go back into the camera, and now I see myself, and then when you replay the video, you'll hear the sound. That's all I have to say. Goodbye, tubers!